What's up, traders? 4 stages of trading that every trader needs to go through to become a consistently profitable trader. So in this video, I'll be discussing each stages and how you can navigate them, jump on to the next stage to become a profitable trader. Sound interesting? Then let's get started. Now, before I begin to discuss each stages individually, let me introduce myself. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. If you are new to the channel, make sure you give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel to find content that I am releasing every single day. So let's discuss the first stage of a trader. The first stage is when a trader is a beginner. Now in that stage, every trader thinks that they can do it by themselves and it's easy, they can get rich overnight. But as a matter of fact, trading is not that easy that we can get rich overnight without understanding the market, without having proper strategy. Now in the beginning stage, a trader only lose money by thinking that they can trade without any strategies, and this is the stage where most traders act as a gambler, and everyone needs to go through this. So what I call is a gambling stage, when a trader just know how to buy and sell, even doesn't know how to manage the risk. It is important that every trader, to become a profitable, needs to learn how to manage the risk, how much lot size to buy or sell in a certain market situation based on account size, account currency, how much pip stop loss. Based on that, a trader must know how to find out a particular lot size for a particular instrument. Now if you want to learn proper risk management, I have a dedicated video on this. I will link it above so you can watch that. So this is the first stage, when trader doesn't know risk management, doesn't know how to place a trade properly, and that is where the losing stage. And most trader, interestingly enough, that around 40 to 50% trader quit on that stage. Now if you are still on this stage, then how can you jump on to the next stage? That means the second stage is when trader realize that the market is not that easy. I need to invest some time or money to improve myself, develop my skill as a trader. That when they take the trading seriously, that is where a trader jumps into the second stage. So in the second stage, a trader started to devote time to learn strategies, learn market structure, probably finding a mentor to help them, or they spend a lot of time by themselves. If you are in a second stage, you need a mentor either wherever, because trading is not that easy that one can learn everything by themselves. That in my experience, I have seen that. So in the second stage, trader learn, grow, and try to understand the market, how the trend works, how the price action works, in what market situation to buy, in what market situation to sell. So this is where the trader in the second stage. But in that stage, the trader is still losing money. So in the second stage, also traders learn the risk management. This is very, very crucial. A trader knows how much lot size to buy or sell, instead of just putting randomly 0.01 lot or 0.1 lot or 5 lot, buy or sell. They learn proper risk management. They understand that the traders need a higher profit, then they lose. They knows that they need to manage the risk to protect their capital. That is when a trader is in the second stage. So if you are in the second stage, then how can you jump onto the third stage? Now third stage is when I can say that it's a break-even stage. So what do we mean by break-even stage? In that third stage, when the trader neither losing nor gaining. So what do I mean by this? Means that you at certain period of time you gain the money and then you give it back to the market. You gain the money, you give it back to the market. So you are neither gaining nor losing. So in that third stage, a trader knows a strategy, learn a strategy, have a clear idea about the price action. They know that this is where the trade is, this is where I should be buying or selling, and I'm sure that this is going to be a winning trade, or there is a confusion about it, when to trade. And a trader knows that, when the news is being released, when to close the trade. But then why on that stage as well a trader is losing money is because of the lack of patience, because of the lack of self-discipline. This is the stage when a trader needs to develop strict self-discipline to jump onto the fourth stage. The reason on that stage the trader is still not making money is because only trader doesn't allow a trade to evolve or develop. What do I mean by this? Let's say you took a trade, if you are in this third stage, that you had a profit target of let's say your risk is $500. You took a profit target of, let's say, $1,500, so 3 times more than your risk. But what you did, you closed the trade maybe in $1,000. You said that, okay, my risk is 500, now I gain already $1,000, let's take the profit. So you are not giving the trade its full potential so that you can get more money than you lose, so that you can secure all the profit that you need from that trade. So this is where a trader is in the break-even stage, when there is a lack of patience. Now when is the fourth stage or a final stage or a profitable stage? When you let go of any kind of fear from trading, you in fact do not care much about trading. So what do I mean by this? Let's say in the third stage, why you are losing money is, as I told you, you are not letting the trade to evolve in its full potential. You are looking at the trade, maybe you took a trade in the morning and you are looking in the afternoon how much you are managing too much on the trade. But on the fourth stage, when you realize that you develop a clear conviction on your strategy, keep in mind the conviction is when you are a profitable trader. So you know that this is how the trading works, this is how the strategy works. You back tested the strategy maybe 100 times, and you have seen that if you trade this strategy for an extended period of time, you are a profitable trader, no doubt about it. You know that this strategy works no matter what. Nothing can move you from your risk management plan. No matter how much drop or rise, the prices is not affecting your emotion. Trusting fully on your strategy, and you took the trade with proper risk management, you set the profit target and you just let it develop by itself, not worrying too much, and at the same time not taking a big risk on a single trade, and you are letting all the trades to develop. You don't FOMO trade, you don't over trade, you only trade when there is a trade. No matter how many trades arising in the market, how many trades you are missing in the market, you only trade when you think that it satisfies the rules of your strategies, or it satisfies, it feels like that it's a right trade, no matter how many trades you missed. And that's how you become a consistently profitable trader, when you have a strict risk management plan and when you have clear strategy, that you know what you want from the market, and that is where you become a profitable trader. Now you need to find out what stage you are in. If you are still watching the trade over and over again, or closing the trade before it develops, or taking a big risk without proper risk management, then you need to work out how you can jump onto the fourth stage, how you can develop that mindset so that you can become a consistently profitable trader that you are dreaming. I sincerely believe that this video was helpful to you. So make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. And I'll see you soon in my next video.